Morning YouTube. This morning I need to make basically a tube anvil. I don't know if any of you know what a tube anvil is, and the reason why is because on this car I've got in at the moment I've got to do some repair panels. I'll just show you them. I've got to make a repair panel for this section, and it's probably going to grow because where they've done it, and obviously it's all curved and what have you. Come around this side as well, and you've got one to do on that side as well, but I think it might go up a bit further by the time I finish. So we're going to make this tube bender, and I believe it was Gene Winfield, the hot rod builder in America, that actually designed this the first time. And if you need to make like a gearbox tunnel or anything like that which got curves on angle, you know, what needs to spread and all the rest of it, it's just a quick easy way to do it. So I've made all the bits up, and I'll just show you all them. So we've got an end plate. I'm making mine 3 foot long, but you don't necessarily need to make it 3 foot long. You can make it a foot long if you want. I've got some packing pieces to go in here when we weld it together. They're just 1.6 mil. You could do 1.2, but I thought I'll just make it a little bit wider. Obviously another end plate, and that's the size of the tubes, an 80, a 112, a 40, but you don't have to stick to them sizes. You could do a 25, or, you know, an 80 and a 40, whatever you want to make it. I'm just going to put it on these brackets, and I'm going to put it on this bit as angle, and put it in the vise for now, but I'll probably put it on legs later. I just don't want to pack about all the time for now. So I'm just going to put it together, and then show you what it does basically. Right, I'll mount this on the tripod and we'll knock it up. Right, we're just going to mount it all up and knock it together. Just going to put some magnets on the end as well. You see how they're all a mess? The easiest way of cleaning is a bit of compressed air. They just get crap all over. just doing this for quickness at the moment so I can use it. And I'll probably put it on a vise, in the vise for now. I'll probably put it on legs later. Right, I shall go and stick it in the vise and show you. Right, just got a bit of scrap out the bin. We're going to do our first little bend and see what, I'll do it back to front. You wouldn't do that way, just so you can see what's happening. Wedge it in. How easy is that? And what you can do, if you need to do different angles, you can just keep playing it about on the angle where you put it in. So you've got a tighter curve at that end and a wider one at that end. So they're just so handy. Otherwise, if you trying to put it in an English wheel, trying to push it on a bit of tube on the bench, and it just makes life easy. Right, we'll see you on the next one. We've got a Lancia video coming. We've got a Lancia here. Let me show you this. Unfortunately, I didn't get a new battery for the camera before I started making this front panel. I've made the front panel in, I've made the underside as well. But we'll, now I've got this, I'll make a video today of repairing this rear quarter here. See you on the next one.